What if I told you that you could make $100 a day online using just free AI tools like ChatGPT? No experience, no fancy tech, just your laptop and Wi-Fi. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to turn ChatGPT into your personal money-making assistant. Let's get started. Step 1 is freelancing. You can offer services like writing blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions, and let ChatGPT do 90% of the work. Here's how. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and create a gig titled, "I will write SEO-optimized blog posts for your website." Then head to ChatGPT and type, "Write a 500-word SEO blog post about topic. Just due to a day," and you're at $100. Review it, tweak a few words, and deliver it to your client. One blog post can earn you $20 to $50. Step 2 is affiliate marketing, promoting products, and earning a commission. ChatGPT can help you create powerful product reviews, email scripts, or even social media posts. Here's the workflow. Join an affiliate network like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Pick a product you like. Ask ChatGPT. Write a short review for product name with a call to action. Post that review on Medium, Quora, Reddit, or even TikTok. One sale could earn you $10 to $100 depending on the product. Step 3 is digital products. You can use ChatGPT to create ebooks, Notion templates, checklists, journals, or planners. Here's how. Ask ChatGPT. Create a 10-page ebook on how to start investing. Copy the output into Canva to design it. Then sell it on Gumroad or Etsy for $10, $20. Sell 5 a day. There's your $100. Bonus tip. Use ChatGPT to generate niche ideas. Ask it. No excuses in 2025. This AI is powerful and it's free. What are 5 trending digital product ideas I can create and sell in 2025? It's like having a free business consultant in your pocket. There you go, 3 beginner-friendly ways to make $100 a day online using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment NextGen if you're ready to take action.